Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 3, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to do it quickly and in a simple way, pull down the notification panel, go to the second page and you have the battery saver. Tap on it and that is enabled. So you can see it by the color of your battery. So normally it will be either green or red, I believe, or white. Let's see. So it's just kind of grayish color, but if you enable this it becomes orangish yellow, so that's to indicate that it is in the power saving mode right now. So that is how you would enable it, and as you just seen, to disable it you just need to simply tap on it once more. Now you could also go into the settings and set a schedule right here, so it turns on every single day at specific time, or also it looks like it's set to, even if you enable it, like for instance right now it will be enabled. If I charge the battery above 60%, it will turn off automatically unless it's already above 60%. So those other settings that you could also mess around there. But if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.